Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vikas, and in today's video, we will talk about how to link your domain with AWS EC2. In the previous video, we installed WordPress on EC2. After installing WordPress on EC2, you can see the WordPress site here on your instance. This is the backend of our WordPress which is running. In this video, we will link this IP to your domain. Okay, I will go to the instance here and this is my public IP. We will connect it to our domain name. I'll copy this. After this, what you need to do is come to Services here, and if you scroll down, you will find Networking and Content Delivery. Look for Route 53. You have to click on Route 53, or you can also search for it. Click on Route 53. I'll open this in a new tab. The one with EC2, I'll open it in a new tab here. Wait a second if it's in the new tab. After coming here, there are different types of options. Here's the DNS management section. You can read whatever is written here. So here I click on Create Hosted Zone. As soon as you click on Create Hosted Zone, it asks for the domain name. So I paste my domain name here, let it remain public, and click on Create Hosted Zone. Okay. After doing this, you have to add two records. First, click on Create Record, and here you have to add an A record. Inside the value, you have to put the public IP of your instance. So I will copy this. I'll leave the record name empty because we're doing the main domain. Click on Create Records. Okay, and after that, we will create another record. I think there's no need to put it here, so I'll edit it. I will remove this and click on Save. Now, let's add a name record. Here I type www in the record name. Inside the value, you have to put your domain name and click on Create Records. So you have created two records. Now what you need to do is take the name servers of AWS and put them in your domain registrar like GoDaddy or Namecheap, wherever you got the domain. I'm using the free CNAME, so I'll refresh it once and these four name servers are given. I'll put them here. Go to name servers, use custom name servers, and whatever is here, I copy it step by step. Keep in mind that the last dot should not be copied. I put the last name server here, then copy the second one. After updating the name servers, wait for 10 to 15 minutes. All the records that you want to add in the future, you can come and add them here. So whatever effect will happen, it will happen on your website because you have updated the name servers here. Okay, so I have put all four name servers here. I will click on Change Name Servers. As it gets saved, after some time it will propagate. So it's already done here, and after this, I'll copy my domain. Paste it here and press Enter. See, it got connected immediately. I haven't paused the video or anything. Now it has been connected. I'll show you the admin panel. I'll open WP Admin. You'll find the username and password here. Come to Monitoring, scroll up a bit, and here the username is. And the password is here. I'll click on Login. See, you have logged in here. Your domain and everything has been connected. You must watch the previous video also where I installed this WordPress theme. In this video, I have linked my domain. So this procedure is for all of you, whatever you are installing here. WordPress, Joomla, Magento, you can connect the domain by following the same procedure. That's all for this video. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, and thank you for watching the video.